Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to the TikTok inbox right here. Just click on this inbox menu. And if you want to create a group chat, you can click on this plus button and select a member you would like to add to your group chat. For instance, I'm going to add this account to my group chat, and this is my account. I'm going to click on it as well. Then we just need to click on start group chat. Okay, and just wait for a moment. All right, and now the group chat has been created. Then you can change the name of your group chat. You can also add new member to this group chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.